If you think about, you driving your car with your GPS and turn-by-turn navigation, your GPS will tell you how to use the existing roads to reach your destination. Here we don't have roads. We're working with off-road autonomy, but those lines that we showed, we can treat those as a network of logical roads. And then we can use those logical roads to reach destinations and goals that are not necessarily on the logical roads themselves. And that is what we call route planning. A couple of examples from agriculture. Let's say you have your vehicle that is sitting somewhere outside of the field, but your coverage starts at a very particular location, namely the green star. So how do you get from that park location to the green star? Well, you draw a straight line to your field, but then you follow that boundary that the planner drew for the field. So by following that headland, you arrive at the start location. And same thing when you're done. You finished covering your field, but you need to get back to your docking station. So follow the headland until you find a suitable location to exit the field and go straight to parking. Another case from agriculture. Let's say we have the sprayer. It has a tank full of some liquid, some fertilizer, and it's being sprayed at a certain rate on the crops. We know what that rate is, and we know how fast the vehicle goes. So we can plan. We can say, when it gets to this point, it will very likely run out of liquid and it needs to go refill. So we can compute those red dots that are shown there. We call those trigger points. When it reaches those trigger points, find a way to that blue star that's the refill station. So again, follow the headland, but then find a way back to where you left off. And that's the green path going to that green dot where it resumes its coverage. Sometimes, because things aren't perfect, we run out of liquid before we intended to. Let's say, you're halfway through a row and you run out of liquid at that green dot. We can't just trample the crops and go to the refill station, but rather we use the existing network of roads to find a place, or find a suitable path to refill, and then back again.